Hi Rainforest kiddos, Teacher Josie here. Today I'm going to lead you guys through the chicken dance. Since it's Easter coming up, I thought this would be a great little dance that you and your families can do together. So it's pretty easy. The first movement is little chicken beaks with your hands. Okay, that's the first movement. The second movement is chicken wings, like this. 4 of them. And then the third movement is wiggly chicken bumps, like that. Okay? And you're gonna do that a whole bunch of times with the music. So it's gonna go do 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 ba 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 ba, and then you're gonna clap. And then you repeat. Da 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 clap 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 clap. Makes sense? And then we're gonna do that a few times with the music, and you'll hear it. The music gets a little slower, and you're gonna skip around the room with your moms, dads, brothers, sisters, dogs, grandma, grandpa, whoever's at home with you, okay? So you're gonna skip around. Do, 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 do. Or you can gallop, 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 or you can just dance. Whatever feels good to you, okay? Let's try it with the music. Ready? Wings, butt, clap, 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 clap. Now let's skip. Or we can dance. Or you can gallop. Here we go again. Ready? Or gallop, or dance. One more time, here we go. And just keep repeating it. Good job, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. Bye.